Namaste students, welcome back to 7th English class. Today we are going to learn a humorous poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. See here some pictures is given, some questions for you. If your grandmother is ready for a bicycle ride, what you will do? I know, you will go for a race with her. Willing to play with hide and seek? You will play with her. Grabbing a lollipop from you? You will give it to her. Am I correct? Okay, how will you react to these situations? If I were you, I try to fulfill her wishes and make her happy. Am I correct? Now we can go to poem. It's a humorous poem. What is the poem name? The Computer Swallowed Grandma. What is meant by swallowed? Swallowed means devoured, consumed. In Tamil, what is the swallowed meaning? Vijungadal. The computer swallowed grandma. Can a computer swallow a grandma? Usually what we swallow? Pills or tablet we are swallowing. Here the poet says the computer swallowed grandma. Let us see what it is. First answer. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it is true. She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. The computer swallowed grandma. Who swallowed whom? The computer swallowed grandma. How it is possible? Because grandma is chatting with somebody. Maybe he or she we can say, because the poem is written by anonymous. Anonymous means the name is not mentioned. We don't know correctly who is the author of the poem. Maybe he or she. So we can imagine, according to your imagination, you can imagine. The computer swallowed grandma. It's a beautiful children's poem, humorous poem, imaginative poem. How the computer swallowed grandma? Shall we see? Maybe the poet was chatting with her or his grandma. Suddenly what happened? Here first line, the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it is true. Really it happened. She pressed control and enter. What grandma did? She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. And she disappeared from the view. How it happens? We can see the poet was chatting with her grandma. Suddenly, by mistake, grandma pressed the control and enter button. What happened? Her images vanished. Vanished means disappeared from the screen. Okay? Are you clear? The computer swallowed grandma. Who swallowed whom? The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it is true. Poet is saying honestly, really it is true. She pressed control and enter. What grandma did? She pressed control and enter. What will happen? The computer screen, from the screen she disappeared. Because it is the button for page break, control and enter. Short keys for page break. So grandma's picture is disappeared from the scene. Solely poet is saying the computer swallowed grandma. Are you clear? See the first line, the computer swallowed grandma. What is the figure of speech? It is personification. He, computer, the poet exaggerate also that incident. So hyperbole is also correct here. The poet the computer swallowed grandma. So computer is not a human being, but also poet is saying it is swallowed. It is a human quality. So we can say it is personification as well as it is hyperbole, because the poet is exaggerating the incidents. Are you clear? Come to second stanza. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or be eaten by a worm. It devoured. Devoured means consumed. Her completely. Completely computer devoured, swallowed my grandma. The thought just makes me squirm. Squirm means turn. The poet was chatting with grandma. Suddenly, grandma disappeared from the screen. Why she was disappeared? Because she, at the same time, she pressed the control and enter button. So, poet was upset. The poet thinks that grandma was completely devoured. Here also personification. It devoured. Computer devoured her completely. So it is personification and as well as hyperbole is also there. The thought just makes me squirm. Squirm means turn. The thinking upset the poet. What poets thought? She must have caught a virus. The poet was upset and thought a virus must have attacked her computer. So grandma was disappeared. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Poet is thinking my grandma must have eaten by a worm. Is it correct? It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Poet is thinking some virus attacked my computer and my grandma was eaten by a worm. Are you clear? Poet was upset and thinks that virus must have attacked the computer and she was attacked by a worm. Here, virus mean, what is mean by virus? Are you frequently hearing about a virus? What it is? COVID-19 virus. Here not virus, that this is computer related destructive code. Double meaning for this virus. Here virus means computer related destructive code. Another virus is that COVID-19 virus, bacteria causing disease. Okay, it has two meaning. Okay, are you clear this? Okay, whenever we lost something, what we will do? We will search for that. Likewise, our poet also searched for grandma. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Poet is saying, I have searched through the recycle bin. What is mean by recycle bin? A folder on computer desktop. What are the things we deleted? It will be kept in recycle bin. And another meaning also there, dustbin also we can say recycle bin. I have searched through the recycle bin. So the upset poet searched grandma in the recycle bin and files of every kind, and he searched in all files. What is mean by file? You are filing your exam purpose in a file, that is another file. Here computer file means storing device in the computer. File here means storing device. Another file, office file. Two meaning for that file also. And files of every kind. Poet searches grandma in recycle bin, all files, and I have even used the internet. What are the things we don't know? What we will do? We will search in the internet. Likewise, poet searched grandma on the internet. Where poet searched the grandma? In the recycle bin, all the files, and I have even used the internet. I browsed for my grandma, but nothing did I find. Did other find out the grandma? No, other couldn't find out the grandma. I have searched through the recycle bin. Why the poet was searched in the recycle bin? Because his grandma was disappeared from the scene. So he has been searching in the recycle bin and files of every kind. What is meant by file? Storing device in the computer. He searched in all the files. I have even used the internet. Using the internet, he browsed. He searched for grandma, but nothing did I find. But I couldn't find grandma. Are you clear? Okay, come to fourth stanza. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my search to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. In desperation, what is meant by desperation? Hopeless. I searched in recycle bin, all the files, browsed in the internet, but I can't find out grandma. So in hopeless, I asked Jeeves. Jeeves means a computer search engine. Whenever we don't know something, how we are browsing ask.com. Before ask.com, it is Jeeves.com. So in desperation, I asked Jeeves. Jeeves means computer search engine. My search to refine, asked Jeeves to refine and find out my grandma. The reply from him was negative. Whether he got a positive reply? No, he didn't get a positive reply. He got a negative reply from Jeeves. Jeeves also couldn't find grandma. Not a thing was found online. There is no online connection also. Okay, are you clear? In desperation, in hopelessness, I asked Jeeves. Author couldn't find out grandma, so he seek the help of Jeeves. Jeeves means computer search engine. My search to refine, the reply from him was negative, but he got a negative reply from the Jeeves. Not a thing was found online. There is no online connection. No, there is no internet connection. Okay. This is the last stanza. Very humorous and funny poem. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. Please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Finally, author is asking you help. So, if inside your inbox, if you find my grandma inside your inbox, what is meant by inbox? Our messages are stored in the inbox. So, in the end or in the final stanza, the poet requests the readers. What he is requesting? If inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. If you see my grandma in your inbox, please copy, scan and paste her. What you want to do? You want to send me an email by copying, scanning and pasting her and send me through an email. So, if inside your inbox my grandma you should see. Please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Poet is saying copy means to copy some images in the computer. And another copy is also we know copying in the exam. Here copy means images are copied. Okay. Scan also double meaning is there. While we are hearing about the scan, you think about the hospital, MRI scan, body scan, belly scan, like the abdomen scan. But here scan means taking computer image photos, okay, and paste her in an email back to me. What the poet asked the readers to do? The author searched grandma everywhere. Where she searched, he or she searched recycle bin, files and internet. Did author find out grandma? No, author can't find out grandma. So he asked Jeeves help. Jeeves also couldn't find out the grandma. He didn't get a positive reply. So author pleads. You means reader of the poem. But he pleads, he requests the readers. He asked my grandma to send back him by an email if anyone sees her in your inbox. How we want to send her back? The poet requests all the readers of the poem to send grandma by email by copying. What are the things we want to do? Copying, scanning and pasting her. If we happen to find grandma in your inbox. Is it a humorous poem? Did all of you like the poem? Nice poem. You should read it. And another information, a good information for you about grandma. 106-year-old Mastanamma, the great grandmother from Andhra Pradesh, is the star of a YouTube cooking channel with over 280,000 subscribers throughout the world. All credit for her newfound stardom goes to her grandson Kari Laxman Mastanama passed away in 2018. See, 106-year-old Mastanama. How old is your grandma? Some of you have 80, 70, 60 like that. Here 106-year-old Mastanama. What is that grandma's name? Mastanama. She is from Andhra Pradesh. He is a great grandmother from Andhra Pradesh. She is a star of a YouTube cooking channel. She is the star of YouTube cooking channel. How many subscribers for her? 2,80,000 subscribers throughout the world. All credit. See, you see grandma, she can't see the eyes or she can't do properly, but her grandson helped her. All credit for her newfound stardom goes to her grandson Kari Lakshman. Kari Lakshman helped her to become the YouTube channel star in cooking. Mastanama passed away in 2018. All of you like your grandma? You should read this poem to your grandma, and whenever she is with you, you should talk to her. Whether she is far away, you can chat with her, and you can also write poem about your grandma or grandpa. Okay, children, I will send you notes for you. You should write in your notebooks. Next class we can see with another topic. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you, children.